Heart failure. Heart failure does not mean that your heart has stopped. It means that your heart has become weak and its power is decreased. If you have heart failure, you might be okay when you're resting, but when you walk, run or exert, your heart will not be able to pump enough blood to meet the increased demands. Now the amount of blood which is pumping forward is less than what is coming in. So there will gradually be a back pressure developing in your lungs and the veins which bring blood into your heart. This back pressure will cause fluid to leak into your lungs and lead to shortness of breath and tiredness, which is the most important symptom of heart failure. Slowly fluid also starts to build up in your feet and ankles, also called as edema. Now if you think about it, there is only one reason why your heart can fail, because your heart muscles are damaged. But there are many reasons which can damage your heart muscles. Heart attack or infections can damage your heart muscles and lead to heart failure. A constant high blood pressure will lead to a constant overload on your heart, and it will eventually get tired and give up. Diabetes can damage the micro blood vessels and nerves of your heart, leading to heart failure. Being overweight also means that your heart has to constantly work more than normal and will eventually get tired and give up. How is it diagnosed? Heart failure can be diagnosed by looking at the heart in action by ultrasound, also called as echocardiography. If you have heart failure, the prime objective of any kind of treatment is to decrease the workload of your heart. So, the majority of treatment is directed towards lifestyle changes and medications to decrease the workload of your heart or increase its contractility. It is also important to find the reason of your heart failure and treat them, or else your heart will fail further and eventually all other treatments will fail and you will have no other options except heart transplant. Most of us have already suffered a heartbreak in life. You might get another chance if your love fails, but there is no second chance if your heart fails. So in this case, prevention is extremely better than cure. That is why it's very important for you to share this video and subscribe this channel.